big developments happening right now for XRP, and in today's video I want to show you a crazy, I would say legendary signal that I just spotted here in the technicals, and this could have big implications. But first off, let me show you the biggest headlines of today. Kraken CEO says Ripple could become a top 20 bank globally if it secures a banking license. Kraken signals tokenized stocks may be coming to the XRP ledger. 10 billion Galaxy Digital warns the Clarity Act may fail in 2026 if it misses the April committee deadline. Then we got 30 billion asset manager Grayscale says XRP could be repriced once the Clarity Act passes. President Trump will host a crypto conference at Mar-a-Lago on the 25th of April. And the president now reportedly holds most of his 7 billion wealth in crypto. And lastly, since we got a lot of quant holders here in the audience, Quant CEO Gilbert Verdian says a decade in the making, we have published an ISO standard for blockchain interoperability, and the goal is allow any DLT to connect with any other network, a key step toward institutional adoption. So those were the biggest headlines of today, and let me now show you this crazy signal that I literally just spotted here on the weekly time frame for XRP. Now here you can see once again the weekly time frame going back to the bear market low of June 2022, and down below here of your screen we have the MACD indicator, which basically measures momentum. And what you can see is that we are currently getting very close to a bullish crossover on the MACD, and this bullish crossover has basically only happened 2 times going back to 2022. We had one here in July 2022, and we also had one bullish crossover here in July 2024. And once again, right now we're getting close to one once again. So what could this mean for the XRP price action? Are we going to reverse straight away, or should we expect a pullback first before eventually a reversal? Well, let me show you what historically happened. Now, first off, guys, in the, let's say, mid to long term, this is an extremely bullish signal, and I think that this could definitely lead to a trend reversal. Of course, I can't guarantee that. I'm not a financial advisor, but that is historically what happened if we look at the probabilities here. But first off, that bullish cross that happened in July 2022 initially led to a pullback here of roughly 23% for XRP before price eventually started to reverse, as you can see from of that bear market low point. The second time was here, as I said, in 2024. First, initially we had a dump of approximately 31% for XRP, but eventually price started to reverse from off that point. So this was definitely a bullish signal, but more in the mid and longer term for XRP and for crypto. So if history is going to repeat, then we could possibly expect maybe a pullback first before eventually a reversal for XRP. And in the best case scenario, price could already reverse from now on. But yeah, let's see how this will play out. This is definitely an interesting signal that I wanted to share with you guys. If we zoom out to the monthly time frame for XRP, then we can still see that the trend looks relatively healthy and still intact, because if I connect this trend line going all the way back here to 2017, as you can see, we are still holding this trend line for now. And yeah, it looks as if XRP is about to bounce much further here, according to the technicals and according to many other metrics that I showed you in the last few videos. So yeah, technically speaking, I'm personally still positive. I'm still in favor of a bounce anytime soon. I just can't guarantee you that, and I can't tell you exactly when that possible bounce is going to happen. But yeah, if you zoom out here, then you can clearly see that XRP still looks healthy. I mean, also probability wise, if we look at the last few months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monthly candles in the red. So yeah, probability wise, it is very likely to expect at least 1 or 2 green candles for now, and maybe even more, maybe even a big reversal, since we are currently extremely oversold, since there's barely any retail interest in the market, since fear is still pretty high, uncertainty is still pretty high. I think all in all, guys, this is an excellent time to be in the market. And by the way, guys, if you're looking for a trusted and reliable trading brokerage, I will highly recommend Capital, SureTrade, which have made trading very easy and much profitable. My links are down below. You can proceed to registering your trading account and earn as an advanced trader, as the trade are being carried out automatically by the trading bots, which makes profits guaranteed, ensuring over 10 to 20% profit daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your investment portfolio. Trading systems save traders from the risk of being liquidated while trading because the trading risk is being handled by the risk management team. So that was a quick update. And lastly, guys, if you want to stay up to date with everything I'm posting real time, I've got a free official WhatsApp group where I share market updates, breaking crypto news, charts, and very important development in the trading system. This is absolutely for free. So if you want to be part of that, the link is down below in this video description. You've got to check it out.